What's up you guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing something that I'm really excited about. I have a really fun video today for you guys. I am going to be giving my room a holiday makeover. These videos are by far my favorite to watch and also to make. I've only ever made one room redecoration video and it was not that long ago when I like completely redid my room. I love how it looked. I feel like it's better though for spring and summer. So now that it's fall and it's gonna be winter in like a month, I wanted to kind of revamp it a little bit and just change some things and make it a little bit cozier and more like holiday, wintry, you know, the whole that type of vibe. So basically I'm going to be decorating for the holidays, but I've never actually gone like really hard. Like, I mean, I do have Christmas decorations that I put up in my room, but it's nothing crazy. I am doing new bedding, I'm doing new decorations, I'm doing the whole thing. So for reference, I made a mood board type of thing. So this is kind of the inspiration that I'm drawing for how I want to redo my room. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. In my family, we don't decorate our whole house until after Thanksgiving, but I wanted to do this now for one because there's a sale going on at Target right now. I'm gonna hit that up. Today is the last day for the sale, so I'm gonna go and kind of try and get everything there. I feel like that's probably my best bet for like a one-stop place to get everything. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I hope you guys are excited too. And without further ado, let's get into the video.
Am I VSCO yet? Where are we going?
Happy fucking holidays, honey. So I made a list for some things that I think I might need. I think we're gonna head to, well, first I wanna get bedding. So I'm gonna go to the home section first and then we can go to the Wonder Shop section, which is that way. What?
This frappe sucks.
Need 3 of them.
Oh, they're 10% off. What a steal.
I want one of these. Did the letters come with it? Yes, thank God. How the hell? Should we put it on the bottom? Ew, there's a piece of gum under here. We gotta go to the back where the Wonder Shop is.
No, Hannah, no candles. We already have enough. Dude, you do not need this.
This is it.
You really buying a candle? Probably never even gonna use it.
Yes, I am.
You're like 30 candles deep, dog.
Let's go.
You're freaking sprinting, good lord.
We need to leave.
The next day.
Hey guys, it is the next day and it has come to my attention that yesterday when I went to Target, I actually didn't get everything that I needed. So I am about to run back to Target. It's actually shocking to me that I didn't get everything I needed considering the amount of stuff that I did get yesterday, which I will show you as soon as I get back. Like we saw yesterday, there's a Starbucks in Target and I have a free drink reward from Starbucks that I earned after yesterday's purchase. So probably gonna get a free drink as well. When I get back, I'm gonna do a haul and show you all of the decorations that we're working with today. Hi, I'm back from Target and I have an iced coffee. I feel like this is a little bit blasphemous because I was gonna get the holiday one that I usually get, which is a toasted white chocolate mocha. If you've never had it, you need to try it, it's really good. But I had one yesterday and just for funsies, I looked up how many calories are in one of those drinks because I was curious and it has over 500 calories. So I was like, yeah, I need to not drink those every day. So I just got my regular, which honestly probably isn't much better for you. Probably isn't better for you at all. But this is the iced blonde vanilla latte. I always get this when I go to Starbucks. But the cup is festive. so it's fine. I'm gonna do a haul now of all the things that I've bought at Target over the past yesterday and today. We have a lot to work with, so we're gonna get started with what I bought today. I was gonna use my reusable bags yesterday. I literally bought 5 of them to Target with me yesterday, but we actually had to go to an actual like checkout. I typically just do self-checkout because it limits my interactions with human beings, but my cart was insane and I didn't want to be one of those obnoxious people who goes to the self-checkout with like a million things in their cart. It was just an overwhelming experience, and I mean, obviously the girl was just trying to get through this large cart as fast as possible, so I just didn't even say anything. Batteries. I bought a few decorations that are like LED and they require batteries, and I don't know if we have any, so I wanted to be safe and grab some. So now I have more than enough because I didn't want to have to go back to Target for a 3rd time. Like, I love Target and everything, but bitch. Then, I wasn't even planning on buying this, but I have this thing where I am obsessed with mugs with my initial on them. I've been drinking a lot more tea lately, so it'll go to use for sure. And then the one thing that I really needed and forgot to get yesterday is a little plant. I am going to use this. You'll see where I'm putting it, but I want to replace one of my plants that I have in my room already with this to make it more festive. So now let's get into the bulk of it. I'm going to try not to explain too much about every single thing because you're going to see where I'm putting all of them when I'm actually redoing the room. Let's start with the first bag. I bought this little thing, which this is adorable. It's this little wooden star. It says Merry and Bright. I thought that it fit the vibe of my room. This was $3. I got it from the dollar section. It should really be called like the 135 section because most of the stuff in this section is not actually a dollar, but I'm just gonna keep calling it the dollar section because. And then I bought this little thing, also from the dollar section. Got it for $3. Moving right the along. And then I also bought this from the dollar section. This was actually $1. And then last thing in this bag are these lights. Yeah, I bought 2 of these because they were only $2.50 each, and everything in the Wonder Shop was also 20% off, so they were 20% off. Moving along. We're gonna go with this bag next. What the hell is even in here? What did I buy? Like, I don't even remember. Oh, I'm excited for this. So I bought this little banner garland type of thing. It says Mary. And then I bought this. Why did I buy this? I'm gonna use it somewhere for sure. Like I said earlier, I have a lot of things to work with, so I feel like I have a lot of options. So I bought this garland. It's like these gold stars. I just thought that this was really pretty. It was only $3, so. This is embarrassing. Like, why did I buy this? That's why I bought it. It smells really nice. So I bought this little candle. I know what you're thinking. Why do you need another candle? I don't know. I just think it smells really nice. Like, it really does. I'll obviously burn it because I burn candles like it's my job. And then, ooh, this is a little bit of like a foreshadowing to another thing that I bought, but I bought these stocking holders. They came in packs of 2. I only need 1, but I'm sure we'll find use for the other one somewhere in our house. And since I showed those, I should probably show the stocking next. Where even is that? I have a stocking downstairs. Like, in our living room, that's where we have like our main Christmas decorations for the whole family, and I have a stocking there that like Santa actually puts things in, but I wanted this one for my room because I just thought it was really cute. Like I said earlier, I have a thing for items that have H's on them. Moving on. Oh, I bought some signs. There's this one that says Dashing Through the Snow. And then I bought this one. Super adorable. $3, dollar section. I've been wanting one of these. I just never really had an excuse to get one. I got this letter board. I say this as I have this letter thing right here, but I'm just gonna ignore that. There's just a lot of trees in this one. There's this little tree. And then there's this one. I bought this tree too. And then there's also this cute little guy. We're getting somewhere, people. This is some garland. This was $5. I think I bought 2 of these. Where's the other one? Yep, I did. It's in there. Okay. And then I bought this pillow. How adorable. I got these. These are just some fairy lights. I have a vision. Might as well just do this next since it's right here. I bought bedding. So this is this Sherpa plaid bedding. I am so excited to put this on my bed. Not only does it give me like winter cozy holiday vibes, but it's gonna be so warm and cozy. I'm so stoked. And this is also on sale for 25% off. Then I bought 3 of the same wicker baskets. I'm gonna put them in this area. This really doesn't have anything to do with the whole like holiday transformation, but I feel like I needed something to like, cause this is just a big mess. Like, it just looks like a cluster. So I bought 3 of these to attempt to make that look less like shit. The last bag, God, this is long. This is the other garland thing that I got. And then last but certainly not least, a little tree. It's just so cute. So now that we have covered all of that, first thing I'm gonna do is clean and declutter my room. I'm gonna do that before I do any decorating because I want to feel like I have like a clean slate to work with. So I'm probably going to put on Vampire Diaries and clean the shit out of my room. I feel like I clean my room at least once a week. I think what I want to do is pretty much just put everything on my floor that is decorations on my bed, because I'm going to be changing my bedding anyways and I don't need to do that right now, and then clean everything else and then we can start decorating. So I'm going to go grab a big garbage bag from downstairs. I'm going to turn on Vampire Diaries and we are going to start cleaning. Okay, so I think I've done enough cleaning for now. Oh wow, this is a mess. What? Whatever. I want to actually start decorating now, so I'm gonna take everything that's on my bed right now, which is all the decorations, and put them back on the floor so that we can change out my bedding. Still not sure where I'm gonna put all this stuff that I'm switching out. Like, I honestly was just expecting to do that like as we go, so I guess that's just gonna be the plan. I don't know where I'm gonna put my comforter and stuff because I happen to have quite a few comforters. It's looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, and my hair just, it looks like a mop. It looks like a bird's nest, and that's offensive to any bird who's ever made a nest. And am I still watching Vampire Diaries as we speak? Yeah, absolutely, because if not, what would I be doing? God, this just so happens to be the comfiest comforter set I've ever felt. Not spons, but oh my God. Okay, I think that next I want to take down everything that I know I want to replace and then just figure out where to put it so that we can go from there and just really start setting stuff up. So I think that's what I'm about to do now. Alright, so now we have some serious work to do. I kind of had an idea of where I wanted to put some of the decorations already, so I started by taking those decorations and placing them around my room so that I could free up space on my floor to figure out what I wanted to do with the rest of the decorations. So now that the easy placement stuff is done, everything else kind of requires more planning and actually doing things. So I'm gonna start with, I think, this wall. This wall is now blank and I have ideas for what I want to do. We have, oh my God, where's my star? Hold on, hold the f on. Where the f is my star? And this is what prompted my third trip to Target of this video. Got my star. On that note, I am gonna take a break and I'm gonna go make some pizza rolls. And I also just remembered that I have a homework assignment that's due tonight, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Next, I spent some time changing out the lettering on my signs while obviously watching the Vampire Diaries and stuffing my face with pizza rolls. And then it was time to break out the hammer and start hanging up some of my wall decorations. This took a bit of trial and error. I set things up and then I didn't like how they looked and then I changed them, and this happens a lot when I do things because I am such a perfectionist, and if things aren't the way that I want them to be, then I have to fix them until they are right. Dark, so sorry the lighting's kind of shit. But But I know earlier I said that on this wall I was gonna hang up like signs or whatever and that star. I actually ended up doing that on this wall. I thought it would make more sense that way. So what I want to do is take these fairy lights that I bought and I want to form a tree on this wall and then hang my Polaroids on there. Oh my god, also side note, I thought that these needed AA batteries too, just like the other one. So I bought that whole thing of AA batteries and then I find out that these needed C batteries. Luckily, we had 2 C batteries in my house for whatever reason, but anywho, I have gotten really far on Vampire Diaries today, and that is what I'm here for. I am going to take my handy dandy hammer, which I got this at TJ Maxx, and it has like multiple parts. Like you can unscrew this and there's like a screwdriver and whatnot in there. And I don't feel like continuing to put massive holes in my wall with nails. So I am going to hammer some push pins into this wall. I've done it before. I am gonna outline a tree on this, then string the lights, then hang my Polaroids. And go. Does that look like a tree? I mean, yeah. Okay, yeah. Now that I look at it from afar, it looks like a tree. Thank God. All right, Polaroid time. Oh my god, it's dark in here. Holy sh**. I literally have all the lights on right now that I can, so. Next, I finally am gonna work with the garland. I have a plan. Hopefully this is easily. Oh my god, it's wire. I wonder if we have wire cutters. We have to have wire cutters. I'm gonna need them. Let's go! What I want to do is cut this. Where does it start? Oh my god, I'm gonna get like tree trimmings all over my floor. I want to cut it shorter so that I can use it for like a couple different things, but right now I want to make 2 little things to go around the bases of my candles that are sitting. I have one sitting over here and then one on my dresser, and I thought it would be cute if I did something with garland for that. I also want to use this too, this sparkly garland. I think this will definitely, yeah, this is like a scissors moment, I can, thank God. Also, I'm really sorry the lighting is this bad. It's like very yellow, but that's what happens when you run out of freaking daylight at 5 p.m. Wait, this is adorable. What? And I didn't even get this idea off of Pinterest. Like, I actually just thought of this. I'm sure people have done this on Pinterest, but this is something that I actually came up with on my own. So that's impressive. Okay, so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and make another one of these for the other candle, and then we're gonna see if we can finish up. I pretty much spent the rest of the night trying to set things up and then changing my mind 1,000 more times and basically just trying to get the finishing touches done. So before I show you the finished product, I want to show you what my room looked like before all of this. And now, without further ado, here is the finished product. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you stayed until this point in the video, comment down below. I'm a real one because you're a real one. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.